Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Putri Nabila. NIM 400,200,171. Here, I will tell you about three genres of text in English, namely narrative text, explanation text, and procedure text. First, about narrative text. The definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic events, and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problems. An important part of narrative text is the narrative mode, the set of methods used to communicate the narrative through a process narration. Purpose of narrative text: to amuse or entertain the readers and to fill a story. Generic structure of narrative text. Orientation: set the scene, where and when the story happened, and introduce the participant of the story, who and what is involved in the story. Complication: tell the beginning of the problems which lead to the climax of the main participant. Resolution: the problem is resolved either in happy ending or in a sad ending. Bawang merah and bawang putih. Once upon a time in East Java lived a beautiful girl named Bawang Putih. Her father has passed away, and she lived with her stepmother and stepsister. Before her father passed away, her stepmother and stepsister were very kind to her. On the contrary, 2 days after her father passed away, they treated her badly. She had to do all the housework. Her stepsister was bawang merah. She was very lazy and she always got dressed every time. But bawang putih was more beautiful than her. One day, bawang putih went to river to wash a lot of clothes. Then she looked a goldfish cried and needed help. Seeing the condition, bawang putih felt sorry and helped it. Bawang putih was very surprised the goldfish could speak. Then the fish helped her in washing by magic, and they became a best friend. Unfortunately, her stepsister knew it, and her stepmother asked bawang merah to catch it. After that, they cooked it and ate it. When bawang putih knew the fish was her friend, she took the bones and buried it sadly. Several days later, grew a beautiful tree with beautiful flowers on the burial. Surprisingly, a prince came to see it and needed it to be a medicine for his father. Bawang merah tried to fool it, but she couldn't. Everybody also tried, but they also couldn't. Then the prince looked at Bawang Putih and fell in love with her, and asked her to fool the tree. Miracles! The tree could fool by her, and she gave it to the prince. The prince asked her to be his wife. Bawang Putih only smiled and nodded. The prince married her, and Bawang Putih has forgiven her stepmother and stepsister. Finally, they live happily ever after. Next, about explanation text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Purpose of explanation text. Explanation is text which tell process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena to explain how or why something happens. Generic structure of explanation text. General statement stating the phenomenon issues which are to be explained. Sequence of explanation stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena, and then closing. How to fly a hot air balloon. A hot air balloon consists of a basket, four big gas tanks, a burner, and the balloons or envelope. First, the pilot puts four nylon bolts in the socket on top of the basket. Then, she puts the burner on top the poles. Next, she connects the cable to the burner frame. The cables also go under the basket in order to hold everything together. After this, she connects the hoses from the full gas tank to the burner so that she can test it. And last about procedure text. Definition of procedure text. There are three definitions about procedure text. First, text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manual. For example, how to use the video. Second, text that instruct how to do a particular activity. For example, rules for game. Third, text that deal with human behavior. For example, how to success. Purpose of procedure text to explain or to tell how to make or operate or do something through a sequence of action or step. To explain step or instruction to make or operate or do something. Generic structure of procedure text. Goal. For example, how to make spaghetti. Material or ingredient. For example, the material to cook omelette are egg, onion, vegetable oil. Step. For example, first wash the tomatoes. How to make slime. Goal. To make messy, gooey slime to play with. Ingredients: 1 cup of cornstarch, 3 drops of food dye, water. Equipment: 1 large bowl, 1 jug, 1 cup. Method 1. Pour the cornstarch into the bowl. 2. Add a small amount of water to the bowl, stirring continuously. 3. Continue adding water until the slime becomes a gooey texture. 4. Add the drops of food dye into the slime and continue to stir until the dye is evenly mixed in. 5. Allow the slime to set for 10 to 15 minutes. 6. Enjoy your slime. Suggestion: wear gloves when making your slime to prevent getting food dye on your hands. Well, that's three texts from me. Thank you for watching and see you soon.